Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Now we get down and get straight to the point. So I have a customer who has low voltage going through his car, and we're going to do a test in real time. He said the battery was replaced last year, which the battery is saying something totally different. This is a 2-year battery, just 2004 in August. So he bought a silver battery, which is a inexpensive battery. Kind of get what you pay for. But what I'm saying is, he said last year, he might have meant the year before last, because this is 11/22. The battery surface charge is very low. The terminals were actually completely loose, and I had to tighten up both of them. So we're going to test this, and this will be in the description of the video. So we're going to test the battery. The cranking amps is 840. And this has a reserve capacity of 140 minutes, just in case your alternator craps out on you. A lot of people don't understand what that means. This is how many cold cranking amps you have. This is the reserve time. And then this right here is the size of the battery that actually fits in this vehicle. So we're going to test this live. Let me wipe the screen. I think I got some fingerprints on it. Bada boom, bada bing. All right, we're going to press enter. Press enter again. We're at 840. And this says good, just needs to be retested. Recharged. Which will make sense on this particular battery. It hasn't been, the terminals weren't put on correctly, so it's never been charging correctly at all. So there we go. Speaks for itself. So first things first, we need to change the battery or get it recharged. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Please leave positive comments. And also, if you have any tools or software you like our company to use, and we'll give you a live shout out when we make the video using whatever it is, like we've been doing and everybody else. Thank you.